Our distance measured by poems published in Storyism. This poem is a voice of all those who believe love is always staying, never letting go, healing and growing and evolving together. The space between you and I, shall we measure the distance with memories? From the day I met you serendipitously, like a bud unfolding, how beautifully our bond blossomed. To everything about us, organic became synonymous. Pleasantries lasted like mist, while conversations grew like a banyan. Texts, calls filled with kaleidoscope of emotions, slowly transformed into each other's home, unfiltered, uninhibited souls like a mirror to each other. From weather to world news, food, songs, nature, harmless gossips to silly nothings, we discussed, roasted, laughed, sighed, cried, and shared sweet silences too. Not a day passed without a word or two. Oh, the unexpected, like we jinxed it. Storms hit a surreal garden. Melodies turned into melancholy. Warmth disappeared. Cold lasted longer, unable to bear. Like witchcraft, black magic, some venom touched our garden. The inseparable closeness slowly turned into intolerable distance. Episodes of rips, bitter feelings, verbal war, random chaos, mutual hurt. Doors shut, abandoned, loud silence the only language. The forever we believed in, almost replaced by closure. Yet, I held on to hope. I stand exactly where you left, as I know only to hold on. Letting go is my biggest fear, abandonment and agony I cannot bear. Moving on is not a skill, but betraying myself. The space between you and I shall always measure the distance with hope our best years' memories still give, those I live with every day. Will you agree if I say the space between us needs just an honest, unfiltered conversation, in person, real human interaction, beyond the digital dump? Looking into each other's eyes and soul, not to blame or hurt, but to unburden the aches, heal the wounds, empty our hearts, minds of all the boulders of pain. And at the end of listening to each other, a soulful hug would reassure we are still each other's home, we are still each other's home. Maybe we will cry realizing this truth again. You audacious, precious. With each passing day, while life is uncertain, the space between us need shortcuts to our hearts, mapped, measured by poems. Lots and lots of love, reminding it's neither you nor I, but always us, without space. It's neither you nor I, but always us, without space.